Hello everybody, Gary Simon here. It is a new year, 2024. Happy New Year's everybody. It's also a new studio, as you can see. And most importantly, it's a brand new course coming today, which is now released, Advanced Frontends. So you might be wondering, what is Advanced Frontends? Well, basically, it's a course that I've been working on creating for the last year that will teach you how to create these highly animated, interactive landing pages that you see winning awards on sites like awards.com and CSS Design Awards. So we're going to do this with the help of JavaScript, and more specifically, Greenstock Animation Platform and a bit of Three.js. So I'm not going to throw you off into the deep end where you're trying to create these really complex animations. We start super simple, and that really means just focusing on simple micro interactions. Learning how to use the Greenstock Animation Platform in order to control your animations based on interactions. Then progressively, as we get through the course, we get into more complex examples. The final project right here actually brings everything together, including GSAP and Three.js within a Vite.js project in order to create this landing page. So in this course, you're gonna learn specifically how to create simple tweens with the from to and from to method within Greenstock. You're gonna learn about stagger animations. You're gonna learn about controlling tweens. You're gonna create scroll animations with Greenstock's scroll trigger plugin. We have toggle actions, text effects, SVG max, horizontal scrollers. This is just loaded with a lot of small projects that ultimately ends up into a big project, so you have a really good, full, comprehensive understanding of how to work with these technologies. Now here's a look at the actual curriculum. If I scroll down real fast, you can get an idea of just how many videos and different modules there are. And just to go through them real quickly, first we have a Get Started page. And this page essentially will introduce you to the project files and how to gain access to them, and also the JavaScript Fundamentals course, which is a free course that you can access if you need to brush up on your basic JavaScript fundamentals. After that, then we have the Greenstock Animation Platform Basics. This is basically the introduction and where you get your feet wet and you start to begin to use Greenstock to create a lot of cool different projects. And so there's different types of modules worked within here. For instance, there's video modules, there's code modules. For instance, this is what a code module looks like. It's pretty much our custom 100% created from scratch web-based editor, where your goal is to basically see what the goal is. You can see we're hovering over this little title. That is the objective. Let's click start. Well, nothing happens. The goal is to use what you've learned in the previous modules to make this a working reality by adjusting the JavaScript down here through the different goals. It's just a fun way to start learning and applying what you've learned outside of just video, which is what most course creators create. So outside of that, once we get through the animation basics, we have the scroll activated animations within Greenstock, specifically with Scroll Trigger, which is an extremely powerful and free plugin that you can use to create very interesting and intricate, complex, very nice, hopefully, depending on how you utilize it, animations within Greenstock. We also have a text effects section with split type, which is very powerful, along with a couple of other videos for SVG text masks. And then we have a horizontal scrolling layouts, which is a really nice trend, and it can really benefit a website if you use it correctly. Additionally, after that, we also have a parallax section. And there's just different videos here. There's a challenge here. There's also challenges that I have not mentioned yet that are worked within this course, where I give you the challenge, I give you a design file, and then it's your goal to go ahead and create what it was utilizing what you just learned. And there's always a solution video, so if you get stuck, you'll see how I tackle that particular challenge. We also have the Greenstock Flip plugin, which is a really powerful plugin. We also have responsive design considerations with Greenstock's Match Media. And we also have a Three.js basics section. And really the goal here is just to show you how to integrate Three.js, which allows you to perform 3D essentially in the browser, and how to import 3D elements, how to maneuver them based on interactions such as scroll. And so you'll learn how to do that, and then everything is basically summarized in one full landing page project where we just take everything that we learned, or most of it at least, and we work it into one cohesive landing page for a fictional business. And as you can see, all these videos are here and ready to go. So it is 2024 now, meaning you need to start really thinking about what skill sets you have as a front-end developer. If you aren't able to create these really cool animated looking front ends, and specifically speaking, landing pages, well, you might be left in the dust. You are not going to be as valuable as those who can actually do these really cool things in terms of highly animated and interactive front ends and landing pages. So I hope you decide to take the course. There is a coupon here below. There's also parity pricing for those who live in different countries. And so definitely take advantage of this offer, and definitely subscribe as well, because 2024, like I said, is a new year, and I have the new studio and we have a lot of new content for those of you who are interested in UI UX in front-end development. All right, everybody, I will see you real soon, and goodbye.